How to change contacts app theme to dark. So hello guys, if you want to change your contacts app theme to dark, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to contact apps in our mobile. If you don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So simply click here. Once you click here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you guys will see recommend action auto sync is off contact settings. So simply click on contact setting. Once you click here you guys will see display edit contacts, also theme. So simply click on theme. Here you guys will see light dark system default. So simply click on dark. Once you click on dark, your theme will be changed to dark. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.